In this tutorial, I'll show you how to translate YouTube videos using N8N and turn any video into a multilingual content workflow. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger or webhook trigger depending on whether you want to test the process or automate it fully. Next, you need to get the YouTube video transcript. To do this, add an HTTP request node and connect it to a transcript API or a captions extraction service. Provide the YouTube video URL or video ID, and the system will return the raw transcript text. Once you have the transcript, add a set node to clean and organize the data. Remove unnecessary timestamps if needed, and isolate only the readable text content. Now it's time to translate the text. You can either use an AI agent like OpenAI or connect to the Google Translate API using another HTTP request node. For AI translation, simply prompt it to translate the transcript into your target language while keeping meaning and tone accurate. After translation, add another set node to structure your output. Include both the original transcript and the translated version, along with the selected language for clarity. You can then store the result in Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, or even send it through email or Telegram depending on your workflow setup. Before activating, run a test using a sample YouTube video to ensure the transcript extraction and translation are working correctly. Once everything is confirmed, activate the workflow. N8N will now automatically process YouTube videos, extract transcripts, translate them, and deliver multilingual content instantly. And that's how to translate YouTube videos using N8N. Extract the transcript, apply AI translation, organize the output, and automate your multilingual workflow.